So in the last video, we have seen how to use one-dimensional array. Now what we'll do is, let's say, why we require array is because if, let's say if you have four variables, one is int a, the value of a is 4, and then we have variable b and the value of b is 5, we have a variable c which value is 6. So what we can do, instead of storing these values in three different variables, we can store these values in one variable, and that variable will be an array, right? So instead of using three different variables, we can use one array, which is a collection of elements. But let's say, now if we have an array of four elements, and all this array of type int, we have one more array which is y, and the size of this array is 4. We have one more array which is of size 4, and it's the same type, which is int. Now what we can do is, instead of having three different arrays, we can create one single array which will handle which will have the values of three different arrays. But this time we'll name this as, let's say, k. Now this k will be, so let's say if you have x of 4, so this is an array of elements, right? But this k will be the array of array. So this is an array of array. So this is called as two-dimensional array, in which you can have multiple dimensions or multiple columns and multiple rows. So I can say I have 3 rows and 4 columns. So I have 3 rows and 4 columns. Now how it will represent is, let's say you have the first row as 1, 2, 3, 4. Second row maybe 2, 5, 2, 6, 5, 4, and then we have 8, 9, 6, 5. You can have any number of digits, right? So you can have a number of 5 digits, you can have a number of 2 digits. But this is how we can represent this two-dimensional array. So what is the two-dimensional array here? It is array of array. Now how exactly we should be using two-dimensional array, that we'll see in the next part of the tutorial.